I got a challenge for Randy Reviews It. Randy Reviews It. I need you to review this. Randy Reviews It. It's called Rifle PT. It's called Rifle PT. Get that Rifle PT in. Randy Reviews It. Rifle PT. Very quick arm workout. This looks silly, but your arms are going to be on fire just doing this a couple minutes. When you get tired, you hold them like this. Feel the burn, Randy. It's good for you, Randy. Hey, Randy, what's your excuse, bro? What's your excuse, Randy? You got these everywhere, Randy. Come on, Randy. Get outside, Randy. Come on now, Randy. Randy, I'm trying to offer you some encouragement, Randy. Yeah, trench grenade, bro. Stop bullying Randy. I'm Randy's war daddy, okay? Randy is paying me 3 honey buns a day for protection. And we got Randy on a diet. Randy Reviews It. Randy Reviews It is, we're putting him on a diet. And we're going to have him doing Rifle PT all day. Rifle PT all day for Randy. And Randy's going to review his rifle with a workout regimen. We're going to get Randy Reviews It on a workout routine, you know. Randy. We're going to get you a workout routine, Randy. Hey, Randy, if you're just started with it, just start out like this, you know. Just start out like this if you're just getting started with it. All right, Randy Reviews It. I want you to do this workout routine, okay? And I want you to review it. Let me know how it felt. I'm 100% not picking on Randy, okay? I really want him to be in good physical shape. You know, I'm fat too, but I'm really working on it. Randy, if you have to, take all the rounds out of your magazine, or just do it without the magazine, however you got to do it, okay? Just get it started, you know, is all. And there's no excuse. That's the cool thing about it. If you guys out there with these little arsenals, you need to be doing Rifle PT. What excuse do you have? Oh, I don't have the weights. Oh, this is not an excuse. You just watch. In a couple days, we're going to do jogging too. All right, guys, check out my camouflage Hawaiian shirts that I sell. I sell a bunch of really cool stuff that you really need to check out. At least check it out. You don't got to buy anything, but at least check it out. I'll see you guys in the next one. You guys have a great day. Jordan Jareb signing off.